This is Magnolia Heaton, licensed clinical social worker, owner and founder of Love is Healing LLC. I am recording a short video today. I was just thinking, it's so annoying being human sometimes. But definitely in particular, it's annoying trying to post content because I struggle with the internal dialogue sometimes. And then this week in particular, I identified that I feel a bit skittish, skeptical, scared, nervous about publishing things. I realize that I have a vision now, a more concrete vision, because I have a lot of knowledge, right? But I had been trying to discern like what do I actually want to post about? What do I actually want to make videos about? Right? And then also like what do I want to make videos about that's unique to myself? And so I finally identified that that'll be coming. And I realized that I feel nervous because I find that a lot of what I have to say is very counterculture, apparently, these days within my, I guess, collegial circle. So that's going to be interesting, but I will not let that stop me. And I wanted to let you know that I'm here. It's been really busy. I had to move from Florida to Texas, so it's taken a lot. It's been a really busy 4 weeks or so. Still not completely done. It's just a lot to do. So anyhow, I hope everyone is well, and I just want to give a quick little update. Alrighty, take care. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website, loveishealingllc.com. If you want to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, we are at Love is Healing LLC. Yeah, if you have any questions or anything, any specific videos you want to see, please put it in the comments, but feel free to like, share, subscribe. Thanks.